I'm gonna make the best dessert ever. It's a banoffee pie. It's basically toffee and banana. This is basically just a sweet crust dough. And what I do is I grate it so I don't have to overwork the pastry. I always start with the sides and then I do the base. So I'm gonna chill that down. It's chilled. I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'll just cook it until it goes nice and golden brown. This is the best thing I think you'll ever eat. Condensed milk, sweetened. You cook it in boiling water for about 5 hours. And after about 5 hours, you let it cool and you end up with this thick dulce de leche. So this is nice. You know, we've got some good color right here and I'm gonna let it chill. This is a cold dessert. We're gonna do a little bit of vanilla.